How to activate Scotia Bank credit card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to activate Scotia Bank credit card. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.scotiabank.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Scotia Bank. Now, in order to activate your Scotia Bank credit card, go ahead and tap on the credit cards option you see there, and further tap on the activate your credit card option under the services tab. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, if you are a Scotia Bank customer with access to online banking, tap on the Yes option and further tap on the Sign In button and sign yourself in. And if not, then tap on the No option and further tap on Continue. You will then be asked to enter your card number. So go ahead and enter your card number and tap on Continue and further follow the on-screen prompts in order to complete the activation process. And with this, your credit card will be activated. So, this is how you can activate Scotia Bank credit card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.